What if I told you that right now, while you are sleeping, watching Netflix, or just sitting on your couch, a simple AI system could be making money for you completely on autopilot? No boss, no office, no alarm clock. Stay till the end, because what I'm about to show you will completely change how you think about money. Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, this is where we talk about real ways to use AI tools to build income online. No fluff, no fake gurus, just actual strategies that work in 2025. Now, today's video is different because I am not going to give you a random list of AI side hustles. Instead, I am going to walk you through a real system, step by step, that regular people with zero tech experience are using to generate consistent income using AI automation. And here's the wild part. Most of them started with nothing. No special skills, no big budget, just a laptop and the right information, which is exactly what you're about to get. So grab something to drink, get comfortable, and let's get into it. Let me paint you a picture. It is Monday morning. Your alarm goes off at 6 a.m. You drag yourself out of bed, sit in traffic for 45 minutes, and spend the next 8 hours doing work that honestly could probably be done in 2. Most people in America right now are trading their time for money. And the scary truth is that is the most limited deal you will ever make, because time you can never get it back. But here is what is quietly happening on the other side of that story. There is a small group of people, regular people, not tech millionaires, who figured out how to use AI to build income streams that do not require their constant time and attention, and they are not doing anything illegal. They are not getting lucky. They are just using tools that most people either do not know about or do not think are meant for them. Most people do not know this, but the AI tools available right now are more powerful than anything we have had in human history, and the window to take advantage of them early, it is open right now, but it will not stay open forever. Okay, so let us break this down. Simply, AI automation. Income is exactly what it sounds like. Using AI tools to do the work so you can earn money without doing everything manually yourself. Think of it like this. Imagine you hired a team of workers who never sleep, never take breaks, never call in sick. And they create content, write emails, build websites, and talk to customers all day, every day for almost zero cost. That is what AI automation actually is. And right now, there are 3 main ways people are using this to make real money online. Number 1, AI content creation. Number 2, AI service selling. And number 3, AI digital products. We are going to go through each one, and I will show you exactly how to start, even if you have never made a single dollar online before. But first, stick with me here because in a few minutes, I'm going to show you the one mistake that kills most people's income before they even start. And it is not what you think. Let us talk about the first stream, AI content creation. Here is the truth about content in 2025. Every business, every brand, every entrepreneur needs content. Blog posts, social media captions, emails, video scripts, product descriptions. The demand is massive, and most business owners either do not have time to create it or they do not know how to. That is where you come in. Using tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Jasper, you can produce high-quality written content in minutes. What used to take a professional writer 4 hours, you can now deliver in 20 minutes. And people are paying $200, $500, even $1,000 per month for this service. Here is how you start. Pick one niche. Let us say real estate or fitness or e-commerce. Go to a platform like Upwork or Fiverr. Create a simple profile offering AI-powered content writing. Use the AI to produce samples, show those samples, get your first client. That is it. That is the whole strategy. Now here's the interesting part. Once you land one client and they see the results, they refer others. And suddenly you've got a small content agency running almost entirely on AI tools. While you are focusing on communication and relationships, the AI is doing the heavy lifting. Let us move on to the second stream, AI service selling. This one is a little different, and honestly, this is where I see the biggest opportunity right now. Businesses are desperate to use AI, but they do not know how. Restaurants want AI chatbots on their website to answer questions and take reservations. Law offices want automated email follow-up systems. Online stores want AI to handle customer support. And here is the beautiful thing. You do not need to be a programmer to set this up. Tools like ManyChat, VoiceFlow, and Make allow you to build powerful automation systems with drag-and-drop interfaces. No coding required. You learn the tool once. You build the system. You charge the client a setup fee, anywhere from $500 to $2,000, and then a monthly retainer to manage it. One client could be worth $1,500 a month to you. 5 clients, that is $7,500 a month. Recurring, predictable, and mostly automated. Now let us talk about the third stream, AI digital products. This one is the one that really blows people's minds. Most people think digital products are only for experts, but that is not true anymore. With AI, you can create an ebook, a prompt pack, a template library, or a mini course in a weekend. Seriously, here is a real example. Someone created a pack of 300 ChatGPT prompts for small business owners. They put it on Gumroad for $27. They promoted it on Pinterest and Reddit, both free platforms. They made over $8,000 in 2 months. No inventory, no shipping, no customer calls. Just a digital file sold automatically over and over again. And the AI helped them write every single prompt in that pack. Okay, pause for a second. I promised you I would reveal the #1 mistake people make that kills their AI income before it even starts. And I am getting to that right now, because understanding this is the difference between people who actually succeed with this and people who watch videos like this, get excited, and then do absolutely nothing. Do not be that person. Keep watching. Here it is. The biggest mistake people make is trying to do everything at once. They hear about content writing, service selling, and digital products, and they try to build all 3 at the same time. They get overwhelmed, they get confused, and they quit before they make a single dollar. Here is what actually works. Pick one, just one. Spend 30 days focused on that single income stream. Learn the tools. Take one action every single day, even if it is small. Message one potential client. Create one piece of sample content. Set up one product listing.
Consistency with one thing beats scattered effort across 10 things every single time. And here is the mindset shift that changes everything. Stop thinking like an employee where you trade hours for dollars. Start thinking like a systems builder where you design something once and it keeps producing results while you sleep. AI does not get tired. AI does not have bad days. AI does not ask for a raise. Your only job is to point it in the right direction and then let it work. I want to ask you something, and I genuinely want to know. Which of these 3 income streams felt most exciting to you? AI content creation, AI service selling, or AI digital products? Drop your answer in the comments right now. Seriously, I read every single one, and your answer will actually help me create more videos tailored specifically to what you want to learn.
Go ahead, I will wait. And hey, if this video gave you even one idea that made you think differently about how you earn money online, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button. It takes 1 second, and it genuinely helps this channel reach more people who need this information. And if you want to keep learning exactly how to build real income using AI tools, subscribe, because we drop new videos every week, and I do not want you to miss what is coming next. I've got a video coming soon that shows you how to land your very first AI client in less than 7 days with 0 experience. Trust me, you do not want to miss that one. Let me leave you with this. A year from now, you are going to be somewhere. The question is, where? Are you going to be in the exact same place you are today? Same job, same paycheck, same routine? Or are you going to look back and say, that was the moment I decided to actually do something different? The AI revolution is not coming. It is already here. And right now, you have a choice that most people in history never had. The chance to use the most powerful technology ever created to build real financial freedom for yourself. The tools are free or cheap. The knowledge is out there. And you just got a roadmap. The only thing left is you. So make a decision today. Pick one income stream, take one action, and start building something that works for you even while you sleep. I'll see you in the next one. Let's get it.